Couple breaks in the morning in the clouds. Other than that, it is cloudy all day long. Dry for most of the day, maybe a flurry or two. And as we get into Wednesday night, that's when we anticipate a little bit more widespread snow will be in the area. This is 10 o'clock on Wednesday, and that'll be with us as we head to about 2 o'clock in the morning. Then that snow will start to break up, and we'll have scattered snow showers till about 8 o'clock, and then until noon. Most of the snow will be up there to the north of us. Some of that could venture down just south of I-80, but the bulk of that snow will stay up to the north of us. We go into Friday, we'll start to break up those clouds, and we'll see clouds and sun, maybe a flurry here or there, but mostly clouds and sun. As far as how much snow we're looking at in and around Pittsburgh, we're looking at around 1 inch, possibly up to 2 inches. As you go further north, you can see up to a couple inches in Butler, but Butler north, 2 to 4 inches of snow. And in the Laurel Highlands, we are looking at 2 to 4 inches of snow as well. And you can see about an inch of snow in most locations around Allegheny County. 30 degrees for your high temperature on Thursday. Low temperature of 24, and it'll be cold all the way through until Saturday. A high of 36 on Saturday and Sunday. We will have temperatures that will be improving, and we will see some sunshine, 36, 45. And then we do warm it up into the 50s early next week, but that will be accompanied with some rain showers in the area. Tomorrow we're down to 24 degrees, a high again up around 38, but with that wind that'll be blowing tomorrow, we're going to have some pretty difficult wind chills. 2 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow, we are looking at a wind gust of 30 up to 30 to 35. As we go into Thursday morning, that will take your wind chills into the single digits.